All right, we are live. It's about 9:35 a.m. New York time. The market's opened 5 minutes ago, and the Nasdaq is down, another down day. Amazing. So I've already identified 3 chances that I think have the most potential to make us some money, and this is a different account. Today I'm going to be trading the second funded account. The goal is to make $300 for the day. So that's the daily goal. And I'm now looking at the bottom 3, UVXY. This is going to be the first chance for us to trade UVXY. So I'm going to go in with 500 pieces short. Market sell. Okay. 70.68. First short of the day. All right. So actually I want to go in with 1,000 pieces. So I'm going to add another 500 more. Let's do limit. Interesting. In the meantime, keep an eye on the bottom 2. IMVT for a possible break through 37. Okay, so sell in 71. Yes, 72. Sell. Okay. Let's see. The Nasdaq is, all right, let's go. Okay, 1772. Order is in, but hasn't been executed. My second order. In the meantime, keep an eye on Paul. This is a company that I've been following for a while now. It's a Chinese company. Okay, you got the order. All right, so now I'm short 1,000 pieces. All right, so let's see, 1,000 pieces, limit. So I'm gonna do 15-cent increments around. As soon as this executes, yes, with that, I will get rid of the half around break even. 7, 8, buy. Okay. The Nasdaq is down, remarkable. We had a great jobs report today, but this is really interesting price action on the overall market, because you would expect that such a good report, the market should be way up, but it's just the opposite. Okay, now $94. Eventually, they will come to their senses, and then the Nasdaq will go up. So we are now at session lows, but it hasn't even been 10 minutes, so it's still early. So the daily goal is $300 on this account. This actually is a different funded account, belongs to a different prop firm. The good news is the platform is the same, so which means I don't have to spend a lot of time digging around trying to get used to the platform. So let's see. All right, we got it. We should, okay, sell. Okay. Cancel this. Look at Nasdaq. This is ridiculous now. Huh. Down 110 points. Completely ridiculous. All right, now I've got 3,000 pieces. I'm gonna get rid of 1,000 pieces near break even. Nasdaq is session lows. This is an opportunity now. 18. Boom. All right, so I got 4,000 pieces. 1790 levels. I will start to get rid of half of the shares. So now I also keep an eye on the Nasdaq as well, because this UVXY is not a stock, it's an ETF, and it moves in the opposite direction of the market. So if the Nasdaq is going down, this will go up, and vice versa. So it will do exact opposite, which means if you think the Nasdaq is going to turn around, then you should be short in UVXY. Or if you think the Nasdaq is going to go down, you should go long. And at these levels, we're going to have a deep buyers will step in. So, all right, buy. 92. I can do market. All right. 85, good. All right, great. Up $140. Okay, so now $90 for the day. So I'm going to hold this a little longer. And 81, I still have 2,000 pieces limit. Below 80. 17. 78, buy. All right, now I only hold 1,000 pieces. $195 for the day. All right, so around, yes, 74. 74 levels. Cover the rest of the shares. 1774, yeah. One more sell. All right, let's go. 1774. Order is in. 77. The Nasdaq is sliding again. So this will do the exact opposite of the Nasdaq. So that was a great opportunity right there, but my timing was a little off. It went to 18 and it had a 25-cent pullback. And this is very ideal. UVXY, even though this is not a stock, but it's an ETF, it's actually the VIX, as they call it, volatility index. And once you get familiar with this name, sometimes it's all you need to trade in and out of it. Couple of good trades on both ends, on the long side and also the short. But it's all about timing the Nasdaq. When the Nasdaq is about to turn around, for example, if right at the peak, you think it's gonna roll over and go down, then you should be going long on UVXY and vice versa. So right there at 18 was the peak of UVXY and then went down to 25-cent pullback because the Nasdaq, the deep buyers stepped in and bought, but now it's going in the other direction. So which is okay because I'm still gonna hold the 1,000 pieces, and if it hits my price target, that might be the daily goal, really, because the daily goal is $300. So if we reach that goal and it's been 15 minutes, that's okay. I will just, all right, execute it. Let's see. 330, great. $330, great. Okay, so that was a severe sell-off because the Nasdaq just, as I thought, because eventually they were going to come to their senses and then buy this market because the data is actually positive. And it's the reason why I use the word ridiculous is because it's ridiculous that the Nasdaq was down as much as it was just 5 minutes ago at 112 points. But now down 60 only, and it's going up because now the participants are coming to their senses. So it was kind of like a panic mode or whatever. But anyway, I would not be surprised today if the Nasdaq is actually in the red, in the green. When the day is over, it's very likely that the Nasdaq is going to finish the day in the green. Okay, so now the question is what to do now, because this is the most ideal situation ever, because sometimes all you need is just one stock. You just focus on one stock and then give your utmost focus and your attention and execute a couple of trades, and then you will be rewarded if your timing is right. So today is $330 profit, and almost 20 minutes into the trading session. So the question is, do we continue or we call it a day and come back again tomorrow fresh and do the same thing again? The answer is we finish. Exactly. This is the strength. If you go back and watch the other videos, the first 90 minutes of the market open, this is where the strength lies in the strategy that I have developed, not the afternoon session. So it's best to stick to what works. And for the time being, we might have a chance with TAL toll towards $9 US, but and CVNA, we had a down open and then it actually went up $1.50 from the open. So, and all these stocks, by the way, CVNA, AI, and GTEC, way oversold. So, which means when the Nasdaq turns around, they're going to have a rally, huge rally. So you should always be on the lookout for that and anticipate. And then when it happens, you're going to pull the trigger, meaning that even though 90% of my trades are shorts, I'm going to go long on those days for these names because they are way oversold, especially CVNA and AI. AI was close to 50 and CVNA was close to 60, not too long ago, less than a month ago. So anyway, UVXY is going up again because the Nasdaq is turning around, sliding again. But anyway, so down for the day, $330, and that's it. So come back again tomorrow and do the same thing all over again. Good job.